Hey guys, so this video is about introduction of my new course which is called HackerRank Python Problems. Total 115 problems I'll be solving throughout this course, and you will see me doing it hands down coding, so that you'll get a feel how to do coding if you are not from coding background. So the aim of this course is to teach you how you can do coding just by making Google search and just by having logics which completely out of nowhere. So some basic understanding will be required, like if you have done your intermediates +2 or +12, and you are looking for something which can teach you how to code. So I think the best way is to solve problems and to show you how to solve problems. That way you can get a grasp of how to do code, and you can develop your own style. I have my own, and the basic requirements are just have some simple mathematical background, and if there will be something new, some new topic will be coming up, I'll give you some brief description about it before solving the problem. This course is not about going through the theories of Python, like telling you about functions, libraries and all. This course is purely about solving problems. Total 115 problems I'll be solving: basic, advanced, intermediate, and I'll show you what to go for next after finishing this course. And this is something I'm trying it for the first time. This is something new and very much practical. No theories will be taught in this, and I'm assuming that you have some background of Python. You are aware of it, and it's a easy language. It's very direct and straightforward type. You don't have to use a lot of brain. Everything is directly done, and there are functions for this, but still I'll be solving the questions so that you will get the approach. Most of the students and most of the peoples are scared of coding. They don't want to do it, and just because they are not comfortable with it, or they don't have a proper approach to it, or someone who will direct it, or if someone show you the path. I think you will be able to do it on your own. I by myself is not having any coding background. I'm from electronics background, but still I will do it in a way that it will inspire you to be in the coding field. Okay, so a language doesn't matter. I will teach you how to create logic. Sometimes I will go into the board and I will teach you the logic, and same thing I will implement in code. You will really realize it, that it just need a pen and paper, and develop your algorithms on your own, and you will be able to crack the problem. And you will not require any so-called like reading lots of books, or watching lot of theories of like 15 to 16 hours and then jumping into coding. Coding is just about solving and practicing problems, new type of problems, so that you can build logic inside your head, and you can train your brain to create logics. Okay, this is why this is helpful. This will be helpful if you are a beginner, so it will develop confidence in you. And plus, if you will see some of the big companies, they will have coding rounds, and there they will give you 2 to 3 hours to solve 2-3 questions which will come out of nowhere. I mean, you might feel that you have never seen a question like this, and you have to develop logic and create code for that and execute it successfully for all test cases, which you might not be able to do it if you are not into logic building type of business before. So it takes time. Logic building takes time, so that's why it is helpful for you. And in companies you will be able to crack coding rounds, because you will be solving puzzles and all. So these things require your brain to work in that fashion. It will not require reading some books or solving some puzzles, 1,000 puzzles, then only you will be able to do it. It is true that you have to solve a lot of questions, but you have to have a thinking in that way that you can develop logic. Okay, given the scenario, whatever scenario will be, you can make a senseful logic and solve the problem. So that is what I am attacking. through this course. So hopefully you will like it, and do watch all the videos. If you are interested, then you can go through some of the videos to get a feel how I'm coding, whether you want it or not. Just go through 3, 4 or 5 videos and decide whether you have to go for full course or not. So this is about the introduction, and I'll see you guys in the first lecture. Okay, bye bye.